Good morning, students. Very good morning. How are you after 3 days break? I think you are feeling fresh. So today I am going to teach about the parts of speech. So that I have already explained about noun, pronoun, adjective. And today I am going to explain about verb and adverb. So first, what is verb? A verb is a, what is verb? A verb is an action word. So a verb is an action word being and possessive of a noun. So what is verb? A verb is an action word being and possessiveness of a verb. For example, action word. So any action is a verb. What is that? Playing, jumping, talking, skipping, singing, everything, all the actions comes under the verb. For example, Ramu is walking. What he is doing? Walking. What is Ramu? Noun. What is walking? Verb. So Ramu is walking. Then being. So for example, book is on the table. I say only book and table. Is there any meaning? No. Without is there is no meaning. Book is on the table. That is B form. So next, I have 2 pens. Geeta has 2 dresses. So Geeta dresses. Any meaning? No meaning. If there is, has or have, then only meaning. So that is possessiveness. I have 2 pens. Geeta has 2 dresses. So like that, the verb is the action word being and possessiveness of noun or pronoun. So that is about the verb. So you have to make 3 sentences of each. I made 3 sentences. You add 9 sentences. It will become 12. So that you can know what is verb. Now what is adverb here? An adverb is a word which adds something to the meaning of a verb or qualifying verb or describing verb. So what is verb we have already learned. For example, Ramu walks fast. What is verb here? Walks. Fast is talking about verb, describing the verb. So walks fast. Walks is verb, fast is adverb. And this adverb is being action and where, when. Where is Ramu? Ramu sat there. Where he was sitting? Ramu was sitting under the tree. So sat. What is that? Sat is verb. And what is adverb here? Sitting there. Ramu sat there. So there is there, here, now, then all these words comes under the adverbs. So Ramu sat there. Then Ramu, where is Ramu's brother? Ramu's brother will come tomorrow. So Ramu's brother will come tomorrow. When he is going to come? Tomorrow. So coming is verb. When he will come? He will come tomorrow. Come is verb. And what is adding to the verb? Tomorrow. So this adding tomorrow to the verb is called as adverb. Now you have followed. Ramu will come. Ramu will come tomorrow. Come means no meaning. Come tomorrow means there is meaning. So tomorrow is the adverb. Tomorrow, yesterday, today, all these things comes under the adverb. Now you know what is verb. Now you know what is adverb. So there is only little difference between adverb and adjective. What is adjective? I said adjective is something adding to the noun, that is adjective. Here what is adverb? Something adding or qualifying or describing the verb. So that is only difference between adjective and adverb. Adjective is adding something to the noun. Here adverb is adding something to the verb or qualifying the verb or qualifying the verb. So that is called adverb. Now you know verb, you know adverb, and you know noun, pronoun, adjective. 5 parts of speech you have already known. So with these parts you should make some practice and make some exercise and try to speak sentences. If you speak sentences, you can start speaking with your friends and all, so that you can develop the skill of speaking. So listen to my video, do exercise and do some hard work and do some practice so that you can start speaking. But don't forget to listen to my video, to like it and subscribe it. Have a good day.